Good evening, everyone. My name is Vijay Sarvate. Today's date is 4th of April 2022. Yesterday, we have seen about the difference between the C, C++, and Java. Today, we are going to discuss about the Java and its features. Java was developed by James Gosling at Microsystem in 1995. Um, James Gosling is also known as the father of Java. Uh, Java programming is a uh, simple language. Um, Before Java, it it was known as a Oak, and since Oak is a uh, already registered company, so James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. Let's toward going to see the features of Java. The first feature of Java is simple. Java is a very simple. Java is very simple to learn, and its syntax are easy to understand. According to according to some microsystem, Java language is simple programming language because of its syntax, Java syntax, and Java syntax is based on C++. Java has removed many complicated syntax. Many complicated features, and it makes easier to use. There is no need to remove unreferred object because of there is a automatic garbage collection. Next feature is object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Object means we are organize our software as a combination of difficult objects my that from object-oriented language means OOPS is a methodology that simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some rules. The next feature is platform independence. Java is a platform independent because of it's different from other language like C. Uh, there are two types of platform: software based and hardware based. Java provides a software based platform. Um, the Java provides different. The Java platform differs from most other platform in the sense that it is a software based platform that runs on top of the other hardware based platform. It has two concepts: runtime environment and API, application programming interface. The next feature is secured. Java is the best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free system. Java is secured because of no explicit pointer. Java program run inside a virtual machine sandbox. Um, the next uh, the next feature is the next feature is the next feature is the next feature is robust. The the English meaning of robust is strong, because Java is a strong. It uses strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoids security problems. Java provides automatically garbage collection which runs on the Java virtual machine to get rid of objects with are not being used by Java applications anymore. there are certain handling and the type checking mechanism in Java. All these points are Java robust. Next feature is architecture neutral. Java is architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, like size of primitive types is fixed. The next uh, the next feature is portable. Java is portable because of facilities. You can to carry Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. Um, so we now stop here. We will discuss tomorrow with a new topic. Thank you.